don't wanna waste time. Well, remember tonight I found something here with you. Running by the roadside, wait up for me. I'd go anywhere that you do. Put it all out in the open. No, we don't have to control it. Put it all out in the open. If it's only for a moment, it's a lifetime of emotion. Put it all out in the open.
Hey everyone, it's Vidhi. So I recently went to a trip in Northeast and explored parts of Gangtok. This time I went with my family and this is my Gangtok vlog. So basically I took a flight from Delhi to Bagdogra, which is the nearest airport to Siliguri. And then I took a cab from Siliguri to Gangtok, which is a 3-4 hours drive. You can also go for shared cabs if you are traveling solo. So last night I reached Gangtok and it was too late. I reached around 12 o'clock and it was so late, so I slept and I couldn't vlog yesterday. This is my officially day 1. Today I'll be exploring Gangtok. Also guys, this is how my room looks. The view from my room. They say you can see Kanchenjunga peaks over there, but it's so foggy here so I cannot see anything. And now let's go and explore Gangtok. Hello, so I am at flower exhibition and it's so amazing. पहले मुझे लगा normal flowers होंगे, but it's so amazing. It's pouring over here, so I'm sitting right now here and I'm so damn hungry. So let's see हम next कहाँ जाएंगे and I'll take you along with me. And so yeah, let's go to the next place. Hey guys, so we are at Plant Conservatory and बहुत मेहनत लगी ऊपर चढ़ने में, but the view is amazing. Like you have to see this view and it's super amazing. So today is day 2 in Gangtok. So I'm leaving for Baba Mandir, Nathula Pass and Changu Lake. So it's pouring outside. बहुत अच्छी बारिश हो रही है. I don't know कैसे जाने वाला है आज का दिन एंड बट इट लुक्स सो नाइस. बहुत अच्छा वेदर हो रखा है. सो आई विल टेक यू अलॉन्ग विथ मी एंड लेट्स सी कैसा रहता है. सो आई विल सी यू देयर. So we are stuck here because landsliding बहुत हो रही है तो हम यहाँ बैठे हैं और पता नहीं कितनी देर तक बैठे रहेंगे. So I'm having my Maggie and the view is amazing. So the road is open now and we are going but it is pouring so badly. अब पता नहीं क्या होने वाला है. Let's see पहुँचते हैं नहीं. Let's go. Hey guys, so I was at Nathula Pass and the camera is not allowed over here. You guys cannot record it and I'm literally freezing. I got sick. I cannot breathe over there. वहाँ मुझे सांस ही नहीं आ रही थी. And now I'm at Baba Mandir and this place is incredible. I'm freezing here also. But the place is really good. I am going to show you the location. Right now and it's really pretty and this is the view. Hollywood nights, me and my baby in the backseat of a car. So never let me get that far tonight. In the backseat of a car. So never let me get that far tonight. Right now at a random point and it is so amazing. It seems like there is snow but it's not. There are clouds. Trust me guys, the camera is not doing justice at all. Hey everyone, so today is day 3 in Gangtok and we are leaving for Pelling. फर्स्ट हमारा प्लान था कि हम 0 पॉइंट जाएंगे एंड विल एक्सप्लोर दैट बट लैंडस्लाइड बहुत ज़्यादा हो रही है और एरिया बहुत रिस्की है. सो वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू 0 पॉइंट एंड वी डिसाइडेड टू गो टू पेलिंग. और कल रात को मैं व्लॉग नहीं कर पाई क्योंकि मैं बहुत थक गई थी. येस्टरडे नाइट आई वेंट टू MG रोड, हैव सम फूड एंड आई लेट यू नो द रेस्टोरेंट्स इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. देयर इज़ अ कैफ़े विच इज़ नोन एज लिव इन लाउड which is amazing cafe. And now I'm going to Pelling and I'll be exploring Pelling for the next 2 days. Hey everyone, so I am at Tea Garden right now which is in Pelling. It's amazing and the view is really nice. This is the tea garden. There is one in Darjeeling too. The weather is so beautiful. So I am sitting here with this view and having Maggie. Hey everyone, so I am at Buddha Park and this place is so pretty. So I am standing in front of this huge Buddha Murti and it's really amazing. The architecture is so nice. Under videography allowed nahi hai, but still I have a clip for you. So let's see that. Hey everyone, so the weather is really bad. Now the view, you cannot see anything here. It's all fog here. I'm literally very hungry right now. So we are going to this cafe called Mom's Kitchen. ये भी बुद्धा पार्क में ही है. So let's go and have some food. Pelling right now. I reached at night. We stayed here for a night and now we are going for sightseeing. The weather is very pleasing. It's not raining, thank God, but it's literally very cold. So let's go. So I'm at Skywalk and it has this huge statue. Waterfall. Amazing. You got to be the main attraction, just showing off. Right now. Actually we were going to Darjeeling but the weather is so bad here. सारे रास्ते block हो चुके हैं, सब जगह landsliding हो रही है. So we stayed here for a night in Namchi and now we are heading back to Siliguri. So guys, I'm in Namchi right now. I told you that I'll not be going to Darjeeling because of the weather. So right now I'm in Char Dham, which is the famous place in Namchi, and it is so amazing. It has this huge statue of Shivji. This is basically a miniature version of Char Dham. So I am in Siliguri right now. मैं कल रात को सिलीगुड़ी पहुंच गई थी and it took me so long to reach here because बहुत ज़्यादा landslides हो रही थी और बहुत सारे रास्ते जैम थे. So I came here from Namchi. I explored Namchi a little bit and then I came here Siliguri. यहाँ एक Hong Kong market है. If I get time, I'll go there or else I'll just take rest and do nothing. And then I have a flight today from Bagdogra airport to Delhi. So I have to reach there by the time. I cannot miss my flight. Last का trip बहुत ज़्यादा risky हो गया था because of weather and landslides. I cannot miss anything now. So I'm going to end my vlog here. So if you guys like this video, make sure you give a big thumbs up and you know the drill. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Got to be the main attraction, just so you know.